Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the voices on the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the fifth option, the voices, and if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle and now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.